Seniors, your muscles are vanishing, missing this one food. As we age, one of the most alarming changes we face is the gradual loss of muscle mass. For many seniors, this process starts in their 30s and accelerates after 50, leading to a condition known as sarcopenia. But what if we told you that there's one food you might be missing that could slow down this muscle loss and even help rebuild what's been lost? The culprit? Protein. While most people associate protein with building muscle, many seniors aren't consuming enough to maintain strength. As we age, our bodies require more protein to stimulate muscle growth and repair. Without it, muscles begin to atrophy, leading to weakness, fatigue, and even a higher risk of falls or injuries. But it's not just about eating more protein. The quality of protein matters too. Complete proteins, found in foods like lean meats, eggs, fish, and dairy, contain all the essential amino acids your muscles need to stay strong. For vegetarians, plant-based options like quinoa, lentils, and tofu can help, but they might need to combine them for the full effect. What's the best solution? Start adding a protein-rich food to every meal. If you want to defy age and hold on to your strength, don't let your muscles vanish. Fuel them with the right nutrients. A small change today can make all the difference for your health and independence tomorrow. Muscle loss doesn't have to be inevitable. With the right foods, you can maintain your strength and vitality for years to come. So don't wait. Take action and protect your muscles now.